Samantha walks beside her sister through the quiet night. She never needs to say how much she cares. The lynx can feel it in every step she takes. A love that stays even when the world feels cold. Samantha would never leave her sister behind. She would cross every forest just to find her. She would stay through every storm and every lonely night, because a sister means more to her than anything. When the lynx feels lost, Samantha stays close. When the darkness becomes too heavy, she listens. She doesn't try to fix every broken feeling. She simply reminds her sister that she isn't alone. Samantha loves her sister more than words can explain, more than the moon could ever light the night. No matter where the road takes them, her heart will always follow her sister. They don't need perfect days. They don't need everything to be okay. They only need each other, and Samantha will always be there. Two sisters walking beneath the stars, the lynx leading into the darkness, Samantha following close behind, carrying a love that will never disappear.